Hello students and families, my name is Jen and I'm a registered Dietitian Nutritionist at Tri-State Memorial Hospital. We are pleased to present health and nutrition tips for you to use at school and at home with your families. Today's topic is, it's warming up. Have you ever seen this device before? Well, this is a food thermometer and it's used to check the temperature of your food so that it can be eaten safely. Cooking foods to the right temperature helps to make sure we're killing off any harmful bacteria that can be in your food. So it's important to know if food is cooked to the right temperature, because if it's in what we call the danger zone, which is between 40 and 140 degrees, for more than 2 hours, it could cause you to get sick. So in order to check the temperature of your food, you want to insert the tip about 2 to 2.5 inches deep into the thickest part of the meat. If it's a thin meat, you want to insert it into the side. Last week we talked in our lesson about leftovers, and it's important to make sure that leftovers are heated to 165 degrees. Other foods to take note of are fish, which should be cooked to 145 degrees. Steak, chops, roast should also be cooked to 145 degrees. Ground meat like sausage and hamburger should be cooked to 160 degrees. And poultry like chicken or turkey should be cooked to 165 degrees. So be sure to work with an adult and practice at home